Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for the latest updates on immigration and life in Canada. Today, I'm diving into another topic, that's 5 permanent residency options for international students in Canada. Whether you are already studying here or planning to come here, this video is packed with crucial information that you won't want to miss. In today's video, the 5 pathways that I'll be covering are the Express Entry Program, the Provincial Nominee Program, the Atlantic Immigration Program, the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot Program, and the Cultural and Agri-Food Pilots. First up is Express Entry Program. Express Entry is a point-based system that evaluates candidates on factors like age, education, work experience, language skills, and adaptability. There are 3 main streams within the Express Entry program that international graduates can target. First one is the Canada Experience class, that's the CEC. To qualify, you need at least 1 year of full-time work experience in a skilled occupation in Canada. Then a language proficiency is key here, with level 5 required for tier 2 or 3 occupations and level 7 for tier 0. Or you can also look at the Federal Skilled Workers Program, that's the FSWP. This is for those with at least 1 year of skilled work experience, either in Canada or abroad. So if you are somebody who is coming in with some amount of work experience, then you can qualify for this program even whilst you are studying. So you can put yourself into the pool and hope that you have enough points to be nominated whilst you wait to either qualify for the other categories. But with this one, a high language proficiency and a range of employment can also boost your points significantly. That's if you can get a job. By gaining Canadian work experience through the postgraduate work permit, that's the PGWP, after you've studied here, you can enhance your chances of qualifying for the Express Entry. That's why we always advise that when you come to picking schools, make sure you are picking schools that will qualify you for the PGWP, which means after graduation, you will still have work permit to work, and whilst working, you can qualify for any of these other programs. For more information on this one, I'll make sure to leave some links in the description area that you can click on and do your own research. Next, we have the Provincial Nominee Program, or the PNP. Almost every Canadian province has its own PNP, with specific streams tailored for international graduates, because most of these provinces will want to retain the international students who have studied in those provinces after they've graduated. That's one way for them to retain high quality workforce in there, especially because if you have studied there for a year, then you have a reason to continue staying there if they offer you the opportunity to stay there permanently. These programs allow provinces to nominate individuals who meet specific labor market needs. Here are some examples. When it gets to Ontario, there's an Ontario Immigrant Nominee Program, that's the OINP. For British Columbia, there's a British Columbia Nominee Program, that's the BCPNP. For Alberta, they have the Alberta Advantage Immigrant Program, that's the AAIP. Securing a provincial nomination can give you a significant boost in your Express Entry profile, making it easier to receive an invitation to apply for permanent residency. Each province has its own set of requirements, so it is essential to research and find the best fit for your situation. That's why we always advise that even when it comes to picking schools, don't just pick schools for picking's sake. Be strategic and pick places where you know that studying there has its own other advantages. Next one is the Atlantic Immigration Program, that's the AIP. The Atlantic Immigration Program is designed to help employers in Atlantic Canada hire skilled workers and international graduates. This program covers New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, Prince Edward, and Newfoundland Labrador. The AIP is an excellent option if you wish to settle in these provinces, as it focuses on attracting and retaining skilled talent to support economic growth. For eligibility, I will leave some links to this program in the description area, so do what to click on it and get some information on it. So basically, if you are somebody who is studying in New Brunswick, Nova Scotia, or Prince Edward Island, or even Newfoundland Labrador, you can pursue Express Entry, you go through the PNP, and you can still qualify for the Atlantic Immigration Program. The fourth one that you can look at as an international student is the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot. That's the RNIP. The Rural and Northern Immigration Pilot, that's the RNIP, aims to bring immigrants to smaller communities across Canada. This pilot program involves 11 participating communities, each with its own eligibility criteria. International graduates who wish to live in these rural areas can benefit from a more tailored approach to permanent residency. The RNIP has recently been made a permanent program with plans to expand to more communities in the near future. So if you are somebody that you feel that maybe based on your situation you are not competitive with the express entry, Provincial might not help you. You can even look at the Rural and Northern Immigration Pilots. I know people who have taken those routes and it helped them a lot because they felt that moving into the rural area for them is not a deal breaker because they are here to secure their permanent residence and their focus is more on long term, not short term. So they will move out of the big city into a smaller city just to achieve that goal instead of being in a bigger city and having to go through the waiting. Number 5 is the Agriculture and Agri-Food Pilot. Lastly, the Agriculture and Agri-Food Pilot provides a pathway to permanent residency for skilled workers in the agricultural sector. This program targets workers in industries like meat processing, greenhouse crop production, and even animal production. It is an excellent option for those with relevant experience who wish to contribute to Canada's vital agricultural industry. The pilot has been extended until May 14th, 2025, offering more opportunities for permanent residency. So as you see, there are multiple pathways for international students to transition to permanent residency in Canada, whether through express entry, PMP, AIP, RNIP, or the Agriculture and Agri-Food Pilot. Planning your journey from the start of your studies can set you on a path to success. So like I always say, if you are coming in and your goal is to reach permanent residency, but you are coming in through the study route, try to start from the right from the word go. Start making plans and be strategic in even the places that you pick to go and study. So it can either make your journey smooth or hard, depending on which place that you go to. Don't just pick a place because you have people who have gone there and you have friends there. You need to make sure that you design your own strategy and be targeted in your own approach. That way you will reach your goal faster. There are people who have reached their goal faster because they went this route of being strategic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share with anyone who might benefit from this information. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful guides and updates on immigration policies. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop a comment below or visit the links in the description for more resources. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Till then, cheers.